Welcome to Hohem iSteady M7 tutorial. In this video, we'll introduce you to the settings and basic operations needed when using iSteady M7 for the first time. Unboxing. Open the carrying case. You'll see iSteady M7 gimbal and its accessories. Please fully charge iSteady M7 before using it for the first time. It is recommended to use a 5V3A USB charger. Tripod installation and axis unlocking. Attach the tripod to the bottom of the iSteady M7 handle. Make sure the tilt, roll, and pan locks are in the unlocked position before using the gimbal. Toggle the switch down to unlock the tilt motor. Toggle the switch down to unlock the roll motor. Toggle the switch up to unlock the pan motor. Mounting and balancing. Mounting in landscape. Attach the smartphone to the phone clamp. The camera of your smartphone should be positioned on the left side. Ensure that the smartphone is tightly pressed against the phone clamp and the motor pad. Balancing in landscape. Unlock the roll arm latch and push the arm to the left or right until the phone is level with the ground. Then tighten the latch. Mounting in portrait. Rotate the phone clamp by 90 degrees to the left as shown. Attach your mobile phone with the camera positioned on the top. Ensure that the back of the smartphone is tightly pressed against the phone clamp. Balancing in portrait. Unlock the roll arm latch and push the arm to the left or right until the phone is level with the ground. Then tighten the latch. Powering on. Make sure the tilt, roll, and pan locks are in the unlocked position before using the gimbal. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. The gimbal's axis arms will activate, and the touchscreen will light up, indicating that the device has successfully powered on. Bluetooth connection and Hohem Joy app. Bluetooth connection. Activate Bluetooth on your smartphone and select the device named M7 from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect and pair. The Bluetooth icon becoming blue signifies a successful connection. Clear the Bluetooth connection. Press the side roller 7 times to clear the Bluetooth connection. When using it next time, please repair the devices. Hohem Joy app. Search for Hohem Joy in your App Store, or scan the QR code to download the app to unlock additional features and functionality. Usage modes and indicators. Usage modes. Handheld mode. Simply hold the gimbal for on-the-go shooting. Extended mode. Pull out the built-in extension pole to achieve unique gimbal move at high or low angles. Remote mode. Using the touchscreen remote, you can remotely control shooting and enable real-time preview of AI tracking footage. Status bar. The status bar icons at the top of the touchscreen from left to right represent the following: gimbal battery level, Bluetooth connection status, AI tracking status, remote connection status, remote battery level. Indicators. After removing the touchscreen remote, you will see 3 indicator lights, arranged from top to bottom: Bluetooth indicator, gimbal battery indicator, remote connection indicator. AI Tracker. AI Tracker installation. Take the AI Tracker out, align it with the pogo pins on the phone clamp, then press down until you hear a click, indicating successful installation. Switching between front and rear tracking. To remove the AI Tracker, press the safety locks on both sides of the phone clamp and pull the AI Tracker upward. Rotate the AI Tracker 180 degrees and reattach it to the phone clamp to switch between front and rear tracking. Toggle the power switch to the on position. The red light will turn on, and the fill light will blink twice, indicating that the AI Tracker is powered on. Note, this action only powers on the AI Tracker. It does not activate AI tracking. AI Tracking Person. Before using gesture control, ensure the AI Tracker is powered on. Face the AI Tracker at a distance of 0.5 to 5 meters. Use a hand gesture to activate AI tracking. For optimal performance, ensure the subject is well lit and unobstructed. Activate tracking. Face the AI Tracker and make an OK hand gesture. The indicator light will turn solid green, indicating that tracking is active. Stop tracking. When you perform this gesture, the AI Tracker's indicator light will turn solid red, indicating that tracking has stopped. Shutter control. Use this gesture to make shutter control. Customized composition. Use this gesture to initiate customized composition. The green light will begin to blink. After adjusting the subject's position, repeat the gesture to confirm the new position. The indicator will turn into solid green or red, indicating that the customized composition is completed. The AI Tracker will follow the subject according to the new composition. Quick composition. During tracking, single press the trigger or the side button to pause AI tracking. At this point, the tracking box, AI icon, and indicator will turn yellow, indicating entry into quick composition. After position adjustment, single press the trigger on the side button again. The tracking box, AI icon, and indicator will turn green, signaling quick composition is completed. After stopping tracking, quick composition setting will be cleared. It remains your customized composition for tracking next time. AI tracking any subject. Before use, make sure the AI Tracker is turned on. At this point, the AI icon on the touchscreen is red. Swipe right to go to the real-time preview transmitted from the AI Tracker. AI calibration. When you preview with the remote's display may differ from the phone's. Long press the side button to enter AI tracking calibration. At this time, you'll see a red box on the screen. Use the joystick to adjust the remote's display until it aligns with the phone's. Long press the side button again to save your adjustment and exit AI tracking calibration. Tracking method 1. Double tap. Double tap your target. You'll see a green box on the screen, and the AI icon turns to green. iSteady M7 will automatically identify and track the subject. Tracking method 2. Drag selection. Frame the subject with a red box on the screen. Press the side button or the trigger once. The box and the AI icon will turn to green. iSteady M7 will automatically identify and track the subject. Stop AI tracking. Press the touchscreen 3 times to clear the current tracking subject. During tracking, you don't have to keep the gimbal stationary. Just perform dynamic gimbal move freely to follow both stationary and moving subjects. Buttons. Power button. Long press the power button for 3 seconds to power on or off the gimbal. Double press the power button to enter standby mode. Double press again to exit. Press 5 times to enter auto calibration. A single beep indicates the start of calibration, and a second beep signals its completion. When powered off, press the power button once to enable reverse charging, allowing the gimbal to provide power to your smartphone or other devices. Trigger. Double press, recenter the gimbal. Triple press, change to forward-facing or backward-facing phone position. Press 4 times, switch to ultra-wide-angle mode. The roll motor shifts to the front to avoid appearing in the frame, ideal for wide, sweeping shots. Single press and long press to activate sport mode for tracking fast-moving subjects or creating rapid transitions. Hold down to enter all lock mode, where all 3 axes are locked, perfect for capturing linear movements. Side roller. Fill light control. Long press the side roller to power on or off the fill light. Single press in CCT mode. Toggle between brightness and color temperature, then use the side roller to adjust within the range. Triple press the side roller to switch between CCT and RGB modes. Single press in RGB mode. Toggle between brightness and color. Then use the side roller to adjust within the range. Focus control and motor control. Double press the side roller to switch between focus control and motor control. In focus control, rotate the side roller to adjust the focal point of the phone camera. Double press the side roller to switch to motor control. Rotate the roller to control the angles of the pan, tilt, and roll motors. Single press to toggle between the tilt, roll, and pan motors. Then use the side roller to adjust the selected motor. A/B button. Set the starting and ending point for track shooting or time-lapse footage along a designated path. Move the camera angle with the joystick to the start point and long press button A. A short beep means successful setting. Move the camera angle with the joystick to the end point and long press button B. A short beep means successful setting. Single press button A or B to quickly return to the A/B position from the current position. Double press button A or B to start A/B motion at a constant speed. Touchscreen remote buttons. When the remote is attached on the gimbal and the gimbal is powered on, the remote will automatically power up and pair with the gimbal. The gimbal will charge the remote. When separated from the gimbal, the remote can be used for remote control and real-time preview. Side button. Double press, center the gimbal. Triple press, change to forward-facing, backward-facing phone position. When AI tracker is used, rotate it 180 degrees and re-enable AI tracking as needed. Press 4 times, switch to ultra-wide-angle mode. The roll motor shifts to the front to avoid appearing in the frame. Press 4 times to return. When detached, press the button 7 times. Will disconnect the remote from the gimbal. The remote's indicator light will turn off, and the connection icon will also disappear. Mode button. Single press the mode button to switch the gimbal's working mode. You can then use the touchscreen to recognize or directly select the desired mode. Pan follow. The gimbal allows the phone to pan left or right smoothly, suitable for horizontal move, such as orbiting and panning. Pan and tilt follow. Both pan and tilt axes are active. This mode enables the phone to follow the operator's pan and tilt movements, offering more dynamic control over the framing. Point of view. All three axes are active. This mode allows the phone to follow the operator's movements in all directions, often used to create dynamic rotation and record sports scenes at fast speed. Custom. Enables or disables the follow mode for each axis as needed. ICP. Triple press the mode button to enter ICP mode. Hold the gimbal horizontally when 360-degree infinite spin starts. It is great for artistic shots, cinematic storytelling, or any situation where a dramatic perspective change can enhance the visual narrative. Auto calibration. Press the button 5 times to begin auto calibration. A single beep indicates the start of calibration. And a second beep signals that calibration is complete. Shutter button, zoom lever. Lever up, down, zoom in, out. Single press, take a photo. Double press, switch between photo and video. Single press, start, stop recording. Triple press, front, rear camera. Long press, power on, off. When detached from the handle, it only powers on, off the remote. Joystick, push up, down, tilt up, down. Push left, right, pan left, right. Touchscreen interface. Status bar. Status bar icons on the touchscreen from left to right are as following: gimbal battery level, Bluetooth connection status, AI tracking status, remote connection status, remote battery level. Touchscreen menu. On the home page, we will see roller control, motor balance, working mode, and scenario. Enter roller control, their roller function, roller settings, fill light settings, and fill light switch. In roller function, you can choose which function the side roller controls. The default is focus control. In roller settings, you can set the side roller to reverse its direction. Fill light settings is to adjust various parameters for CCT and RGB lighting. Light switch. Turn the fill light on or off directly. Motor balance. Enter to view the real-time output torque status of the 3 motor axes. Working mode. Enter to switch between the following working modes: PF mode, PTF mode, POV mode, and custom mode. Scenario. Enter to choose from the following shooting modes: auto rotation, ultra-wide angle mode, panoramic shooting, time-lapse. Swipe left on homepage to access the rightmost menu. The rightmost menu includes joystick, A/B setting, follow speed, more settings. Joystick is to adjust the speed and direction of the tilt and pan axes. A/B setting is to set A/B points and the duration for trajectory rotation. Follow speed is to set the motor's follow speed to slow, medium, fast. More settings. From top to bottom, you can adjust language settings, gimbal sound prompt, motor strength, level calibration. AI Imaging Preview. Back to first level menu and swipe right. You can see the real-time AI Imaging Preview.